Hi everyone, this is Tintin. If you're applying to work on a cruise ship, especially with Royal Caribbean, and you've been checking your email every day, wondering, bakit ang bagal sumagot ng SeaTrack? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to talk about why the SeaTrack system is slow in responding to applicants and what you can do about it. Let's go. First, what is SeaTrack? SeaTrack stands for Candidate Tracking and Recruitment Application Center. It's a Royal Caribbean official online platform for job applicants. Once you create a profile and submit your documents, that's where your hiring journey begins. But the waiting game, super real. So here's why things are taking longer than expected. Reasons why SeaTrack is low. First, high volume of applications. Royal Caribbean is one of the biggest cruise lines in the world. They receive thousands of applications from around the globe, and not just from the Philippines. In fact, you're not only competing with fellow Filipinos, but with over 100 different nationalities. That's right, people from India, Indonesia, South Africa, Eastern Europe, and South America, all applying for the same jobs. So imagine the level of competition. Second, limited recruitment staff. Even big companies have limited hiring teams. They focus on urgent roles first, like engineers, doctors, or high-demand service position. Third, screening takes time. They need to verify documents, check your medicals, your certificates, and review your experience. It's not an instant process. Fourth, no immediate job openings. Sometimes they don't need your position right now, so they hold your application until there's an opening. Fifth, technical issues or backlog. SeaTrack could be facing system slowdowns or email backlogs, especially after major hiring seasons. Sixth, incomplete application. If your profile is missing documents like your STCW or medical, they might put your application on hold without even sending a notice. And last, only automated replies. You might receive generic responses, but behind the scene, your application is probably still being reviewed. What to do next? So what you can do while waiting for a response? First, review your SeaTrack profile. Make sure your information and documents are 100% complete and updated. Second, follow up politely after 2 to 3 weeks. Show them that you're interested and serious. Third, coordinate with manning agencies. Agencies like Magsaysay, CF Sharp, UPL, and others might give you updates faster than SeaTrack. And last, stay proactive. While waiting, keep updating your skills, certificates, and even your resume. I know it's not easy, and with so many nationalities applying, the competition is real. But remember, being Filipino is still an advantage because we're known for our dedication and hospitality. So keep going. Don't lose hope. Your time will come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cruise ship tips, interviews, and guides. Comment down below. Still waiting for SeaTrack? And let's support each other. See you on board, future seafarers.